Interesting experience tonight. I'm just cruising at 12:20 at night. I got both apps going. There's Uber, there's Lyft. All right, so I went to pick up this. Turns out there were a couple, and as I pull up, it's like a nice residential area. He's like pulling his zipper up, and I'm thinking, oh shit, this guy's drunk as fuck. So the woman gets in. Her name's Jennifer. I say, hey Jennifer, and then the dude gets in, and and before he gets in, the host of this party has him finish his drink. Drink it up before you head home. So I'm thinking, this guy's gonna pop in my car. So he gets in my car, we start driving, and he goes, hey driver, why aren't you starting some small talk? Why aren't you getting friendly? And I said, I'm thinking, what a fucking asshole. But I said, anything in particular you'd like to know? Because, well, I just think you're in a customer service business, and, you ought to, strike up a conversation. So then we just drove, and he was talking to her a little bit, and we finally got to their house, and she got out fast because she wasn't drunk, and he looks at me and he goes, sorry man, sorry if I was being a dick, I just want you to get more tips. And I said, well, thank you for the career advice. And look at this. I just got this. I got a $5 tip from the dude, or probably from her. Who knows? Anyway, crazy story. So let me open that one back up. So just driving around, waiting for my next ride. It's a little slow on a Wednesday night. Take her easy.